Welcome guys to the Crochet Bits channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to crochet a daisy flower or just a flower, call it as you want. It has 6 petals and it's really super cute for decorations. For this flower I am using 4mm crochet hook and medium worsted weight yarn. So let's start with a slip knot and chain 3. Now make 12 double crochet into the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 more. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in total 12 double crochet. Pull tight to close ring or circle and join with slip stitch in first double crochet. Now make chain 1 and cut the yarn. So take another color and attach it to the same stitch where you did a slip stitch. Okay, now chain 2 and make 2 half double crochet into the same stitch. 1, 2. Go on making 2 half double crochet in each stitch around. 1, 2. In total, at the end of this round, you will have 24 half double crochet. Let's do it together. 2 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2. Let's do it a little bit faster. 2 half double crochet in each stitch. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now join with slip stitch into first half double crochet. Ta-da! Now we start working on petals. Chain 3. Now work into the same stitch where you did a slip stitch. Make 1 double crochet and then into the same stitch 1 treble crochet. Treble crochet means yarn over hook twice. Now into the next stitch, again 1 treble crochet, into the same stitch 1 double treble crochet, yarn over hook 3 times, and 1 treble crochet into the same stitch. Now into the next stitch 1 treble crochet, yarn over hook twice, and into the same stitch 1 double crochet. Make a slip stitch into the next stitch. That's it. That's what we are going to repeat, starting with 1 double crochet. One double crochet into the next stitch, 1 treble crochet into the same stitch, into the next stitch 1 treble crochet, 1 double treble crochet, and 1 treble crochet, so 3 stitches in total. 1 treble crochet, then double treble, yarn over hook 3 times, and 1 more treble crochet into the same stitch. Now into the next stitch 1 treble crochet and double crochet. Now make a slip stitch into the next stitch. And that's what we have. 2 petals already. Let's make one more a little bit faster. 1 double crochet into the next stitch and 1 treble crochet into the same stitch. Now 1 treble crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet into the next stitch, and now 1 treble crochet and 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Make a slip stitch into the next stitch. So I hope it's clear. Please go on repeating the pattern and make 3 more petals. Here I am. So let's make a slip stitch, cut the yarn, and let's join. I'm going to use a yarn needle tapestry needle. So pull the tail underneath both loops here to the slip stitch, and now insert the needle into the center of the last slip stitch. Great. Now on the wrong side, weave in all ends. Yeah, it is better to use a yarn needle. Cut. And let's proceed with this tail as well. And pull the tail underneath the first round, underneath stitches of first round. Cut. That's it, guys. Your daisy flower is ready. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please check the written instruction on my blog. You can find link down below. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Check more flower tutorials on my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you soon in my next video tutorials. Bye!